Well, hi everybody. Good morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski on this Monday morning where we have another foggy morning for some of you. Dense fog advisory out until 9 a.m. in central Nebraska and 10 o'clock this morning for eastern portions of Nebraska. I would not be surprised if some of these places get canceled from the fog advisory, dense fog advisory a little early as the visibility has improved out there, but there are still some areas of dense fog, especially right in here this morning. Even up north, there's been some dense fog this morning, though, so just keep that in mind. Drive a little slow. Be careful. Excuse me, out there this morning if you happen to be around some of that fog, but hopefully by mid-morning, most of it will be gone. Well, on to our Futurecast product for today. The clouds are trying to clear up, giving way to at least partly cloudy skies out there. Mostly dry conditions, but can't rule out an isolated shower or thunderstorm. Later this afternoon, the chances start to pick up a little bit more. So we'll throw in a slight chance of rain and thunderstorms. The chances will increase getting into this evening and overnight tonight. In fact, for the Tri-Cities, chances will get much better around and after midnight tonight. We could see some severe weather out there. The chances continuing through the post-midnight time frame, although maybe a little bit less severe weather by that point. But we could still see some showers and thunderstorms around parts of the area tomorrow morning as we kick off our Tuesday morning. Some models have nothing, others have some showers and storms, others have very widespread rain and thunderstorms even into tomorrow morning. During the day tomorrow, best chances of rain will be both early in the day and then later in the day. May get a lull in the activity for the middle part of the day, but more showers and thunderstorms firing up later tomorrow afternoon in a few spots here and there, and then becoming a little more widespread into the evening and overnight hours. Numerous thunderstorms. These could initially be supercells with large hail, maybe an isolated tornado, but then becoming more of a damaging wind gust threat as they all kind of merge together into a complex of storms, eventually pushing off towards the southeast. Take this through about 1 o'clock in the morning. That's about as far out as this model goes right here. But it looks like by the time we get towards 7 o'clock Wednesday morning, this activity will finally start to clear out of here, and we'll get some dry weather for our Wednesday. So severe weather risk for later on today. We'll get an update from the Storm Prediction Center here at 7:30 or 8 o'clock this morning. So we'll see how this changes at all. But as of right now, the Storm Prediction Center does have a slight risk of severe weather for areas near and west of Grand Island and Hastings, and then to the northwest here, with a marginal risk on the outskirts here. Main threats are going to be large hail and damaging wind gusts. Can't rule out an isolated tornado, although that's certainly not a big threat with today's storms. It's been kind of like what we saw this past weekend, where if we do see severe weather, it's mostly been wind and hail, not much of a tornado threat, but there is that small chance. Tomorrow's threat, a little more widespread. Once again, a slight risk of severe weather for the yellow areas here, from the Tri-Cities north towards Ord, Thedford, back to the west towards the Colorado border and into north central and northwest Kansas. Marginal risk for most of the rest of the local 4 viewing area. Again, large hail, damaging wind gusts, your main threats. Small, low-end chance of an isolated tornado. Well, temperatures for the next couple of days, very comparable to what we've been seeing recently, with your cooler temperatures to the north and northeast. Warmer temperatures to the south and southwest, mostly 70s and 80s out there. Again, a lot of this depends on if you see rain or not. That can impact your temperature somewhat. Tonight, falling back into the mid to upper 50s and lower 60s. Highs tomorrow, similar to today. Again, 70s, some lower 80s to the south and southwest. A cold front's going to come through Tuesday night. That's going to drive those thunderstorms through. So by Wednesday morning, they'll clear out of here. But a little bit cooler off to the northwest for Wednesday morning, down to around 50 degrees there in Ainsworth and Valentine and Thedford. Some 40s out west. So most of us down into the 50s or lower 60s for Wednesday morning. And then highs on Wednesday on the cooler side for mostly in the 70s, near 80 to the southeast. It may be one of our cooler days. I think the coolest day may actually come on Thursday, as we have another chance of rain and thunderstorms down the road on Thursday. So there's a look at your 3-day forecast there. We'll expand this out to the 7-day forecast. You see another round of rain and thunderstorms Thursday and Thursday night. And then after that, things will start to quiet down for Friday into the upcoming weekend and eventually start to warm up as well. There is a small chance of a thunder shower on Saturday. It's not a very good chance right now, but then after that, it looks like we will start to warm things up as we look towards next week. Sunday, and then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, it looks like we'll see more warm temperatures down the road, getting into the 80s and even maybe some lower 90s early next week. So we will be looking at warmer temperatures coming into the forecast for the first half of next week as we look towards the middle of June here, and maybe a little less active weather as well. Of course, we've had a lot of rain lately. Flood threat may be increased, though, with these rain chances over the next couple of days, especially for those that are already pretty waterlogged. So keep that in mind over the next couple of days with the continued chances of rain, that there could be some isolated locations with some flooding issues over the next 4 days or so. Otherwise, then a chance to dry things out as we look towards the end of next week into the or this week into the following weekend here. So, all right. Well, with that, I'm going to let you all go, and thank you all for watching on this Monday morning. I'll see you all again Tuesday morning with all the latest with those next couple of rain chances here. Until then, take care, enjoy your day, and God bless. Bye.